FX Nation, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And in this video guys, you can see we're taking a look at the US30. As you guys, some of you guys commented that you wanted a analysis on the US30. Well, here's your analysis. Now, as you guys know, US30 is not a Forex pair. It is an actual index of the United States stock market. So with that being said guys, we can go ahead and start to put this together on the weekly like we always do on the higher time frame. And right away, let's go ahead and start drawing out a couple of things. So for me, we knew that this right here was a dead cat bounce, basically just a bounce to try to recover. Okay, obviously that's going to fail because we know the bigger picture is to go to the downside. So what do we end up doing here basically? So market makers, all they did was went up here and just basically grabbed orders. That's pretty much what they did. All right. Now, the huge move that we got last week was basically off of Powell's speech from the Jackson Hole Summit. Now, what are we going to do with this? Okay, what are we looking for out of this? Essentially, because we know that the Fed is going to continue to raise interest rates, it's going to continue to do its quantitative tightening, take away money from the economy. Obviously, that's going to grow the dollar to more strength, and of course, it's going to be bad for stocks. So with that being said, the first target that I would have here on this particular US30 is going to be right here, basically the very bottom of where that dead cat bounce started from to begin with. So that's going to be the first target. So I'm looking for sells basically to get down into this area first. Okay, so let's go ahead and go down now to the smaller time frame. And let's take a deeper dive into the 1 hour, 2 hour charts. So here we have the 2 hour charts. You can see basically we've come off of peak formation high. We actually did a full cycle, and then here's the reset that happened. And this right here is the announcement from Powell. All right. So what we're looking for is essentially a complete downward move of the bigger picture that we just had, right? Which is all the way down here, basically. Okay, it's about, call it even 30,000. Going down to 30,000 would be the target. Now, of course, that's a pretty big target. So we're going to have smaller targets to begin with for us, to get to that point. The first thing I want to make sure that you guys understand is obviously this huge move left an entire gap here that is probably going to be filled before we see another move down again or more selling pressure to occur. So I would not be surprised or shocked if we see some movement back up again and then we see another drop. It doesn't have to be this dramatic or not. But we definitely should see a retracement before we make another move to the downside. So what does that look like for us? What can we use to help us determine where the possibilities are for this thing to retrace to? Well, the first thing I could probably do is put in a fib here, and assuming, this is just assuming that this is going to be the start of the retracement back up, we can start to look at some targets essentially somewhere around, obviously, the 618, somewhere around the 50 range, somewhere around there, okay? Because we have a lot of spots here where we could go back to of structure, all right? So those would be the spots that I would be looking for US30 to retrace back up to, hopefully before we can get more down movement. But for me, the overall picture for me is looking for sells. That's pretty much it. I'm going to be looking for sells on US30, NAS 100, gold, all these different pairs. All right, we're going to be looking for sells for quite some time. All right, because it's going to take us some time to bring the inflation down. All right, so as long as the inflation is sky high like we are right now, we're going to start to see this US30, NAS 100 to go down because of that. So US30, very simple. I'm looking for sell setups to occur once we get a pullback on price action to cover some of this huge move that happened because of the news event. That is a quick US30 analysis. Once we do the pullback and we get another sell move down, The points are going to be pretty simple for me. Right here is going to be 1, where the previous reset was. This is going to be another minor one for me as well, right here. And then obviously this one down here would be another point as well. Those would be my target points short term. But again, we need the retracement first to happen, and then we can go ahead and start to look into these areas. All right, so that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this particular analysis of US30. If you want to see your analysis done for a specific pair that you trade, comment it below, guys, so we can do that for you. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like this kind of content, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the next one. Guys, if you need any more help, join us on FXN Plus. It's available right now on fxntrading.com. You'll get a lot of different value from FXN Plus. For example, blueprint videos, 9 sessions, 14 hours long, over 100 hours right now of group session videos from the past 2 years. Over 100 hours we're up to right now on these sessions. You also get weekly sessions every Sunday. Ask as many questions as you want. I actually give a weekly analysis during those sessions, and I also give a midweek analysis that I put up on the website for everyone to see as well. You get access to the MT4 and MT5 indicators that everyone asked for. That's how you get access to them. Private group, trading plan, custom trading journal. I mean, everything you could possibly want is on FXN Plus. Guys, join us there. If you need any more help, we'll be more than happy to help you. We'll see you on FXN Plus.